Point blank. She asked me point blank whether I had cheated on the test. It couldn't have been more direct. I asked him point blank if any employees would be laid off in the next few months. The gun was fired from point blank. In good hands. I am leaving you in good hands. I'm confident the shop will be in good hands with you in charge. Don't worry. Your children are in good hands. Sally is an experienced babysitter. Rip off. $5 for a cup of coffee? What a rip-off. I can't believe I spent so much on this blender, and it's already broken. What a rip-off. I heard on the news that the charity is a rip-off, so don't send them any money. On the same wavelength. Sounds like you two are on the same wavelength. I was surprised that we became friends so quickly, but we're just always on the same wavelength. A piece of cake. I thought I was going to fail the test, but it turned out to be a piece of cake. I had no trouble finding your house, a piece of cake.